Hi everyone, welcome back to Epic Guys, and today we're going to be building sugar cookies.
Alright, what all do we need to make sugar cookies?
Sugar, baking sugar.
Baking soda.
You mean baking powder?
Baking powder. Flour.
And then it's the flour.
Okay.
And eggs.
Eggs. Yeah.
Butter.
Butter.
And vanilla.
Vanilla extract.
And now get that started.
Okay.
So first you put the sugar in.
Okay.
Sugar, right here.
How much sugar do we need?
3/4 cup sugar.
3/4 cup of sugar. So we've got everything already measured out.
We just put all of it.
Yep. For the full recipe, you can go to our website, Epic Kids Life, and we'll have it on there. So we put in our sugar.
Stick of butter.
Put the whole butter in. Really? You're going to put that whole entire butter thing in?
Yep, the whole stick of butter. Are you going to eat these cookies?
Maybe. It's very hard to make cookies. Maybe not because it's a...
Ooh, look at the butter.
Guys, I forgot something. But guess what? You better wash your hands before you make it.
Yes, before we cook, we need to wash our hands.
Oh, and I also forgot we need to add a half a touch of milk.
Okay, so pour in your milk.
Now it's
All
mixed.
right. Mix it up.
Don't be sloppy, but keep it down tight.
You don't want to slap it around. You smush the butter. So you're trying to cream the butter in there.
Guys, it's very hard.
Okay, mix it up.
And we'll mix it with that blender thing.
This is how you turn it on.
Put it down in there. Okay.
Blend it all up.
Thing is the egg.
Oh,
One
gonna
egg.
crack one egg in there.
One egg.
You put it in, crack it in the bowl. Now make sure it looks okay.
Whoa!
That's why we have. That's why we have another one. I can crack this one open.
I'm so glad I thought so.
There we go.
There you go. Put that in.
Now mix it.
And mix it with your little whisk.
Oh, no, this way.
Your whisk.
Use your whisk.
What happened? It didn't mix in there, Aid.
Yep, mix in that yolk.
You can't be a part of this. What's that for making? That's very easy, guys.
We're making sugar cookies.
Wow.
Okay, that looks good. So then the next thing we're going to do is put in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So where's your baking powder? It's all measured out for you.
So you put all of it in.
Yep, dump it all in.
You have to put every single
I know.
in there. So you
I just said that. Didn't I?
Yep, whisk it up.
So what cookie are you guys are making sugar cookies, but
Yep, mix it in there good. It's looking good.
When are we gonna put that flour, guys?
Right now.
Get Did you put your powdered sugar in there, or your baking powder? Okay.
Yep, he just put in his baking powder. Now he's ready for his flour.
That's a lot of flour, guys.
Mmm.
So do I have to try his cookie?
We don't.
You'll probably want to. They're going to be delicious.
And again, keep it in the mold. Don't.
I know.
Yeah, mix it in the bowl.
Guys, this is very easy, by the way. It's very easy for me. It might not be for you guys. Free help. We're not supposed to use that one.
Okay, let's mix it up and get it ready. Make it
Agitate.
into a nice dough.
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
It's a little harder.
Mix it, mix it,
Getting a little. Now it's turning into the dough.
mix it, mix
Just
it.
about ready for us to roll out and cut cookies.
Mix it, mix it. Guys are the mix it. Guys are the mix it. Mix
Porter has been
mix.
cleaning up that egg mess.
Yes, he has, guys. I tell you that. Guys, you know what? We add more flour to ours.
So you have to flour the surface.
If we added a little flour to
And
it,
then you flour the surface.
flour the surface, we're getting ready to roll out the dough and cut our cookies. We've got our cookie pan here. And we got our oven set to 350.
Yeah.
We got our cookie cutters.
Ready?
Ready. Hey, you gonna roll it out?
Oh yeah, guys.
Use your rolling pin.
It's my rolling pin, guys, not yours. It's fun too. It's fun to roll. It's fun to roll, guys. It's easy.
Put this on your. Kind of put a little flour on your rolling pin.
Oh yeah, we forgot to do. Put flour in the rolling pin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that helps a lot. You can use mine if you want to too.
Woo.
Flour is easy and fun to roll. Flour is fun to roll. Flour is fun to roll. Flour
Okay,
is
we're
fun
gonna roll it to a
roll.
nice.
Flour is fun to roll.
Okay, I think you're ready to start cutting some cookies out.
Flour is fun to.
Yep, I think you're ready. You don't want to roll it too thin or else your cookies will be super, super thin. So you want to have enough consistency for cookies. Okay, let's start cutting cookies.
Okay.
Okay, here's your cookie cutters.
Don't start at the edge.
Start at the edge, guys.
And you won't waste all the stuff in between.
Guys, I cut it everything.
Okay, so now we're gonna take them out. Ooh, look at that one.
Just dip this in the.
I think I'll redo the star right here.
Go underneath them with this.
You can use a little spatula to pick them up. And then we're gonna lay them on our cookie sheet to cook. There's a rocket.
Oh, there's the rocket. I think we're gonna have to do that spaceman, guys.
That astronaut there.
Yeah, he's kind of.
Saturn or something.
Ooh, there's a planet.
Hey guys, you know what? I want to make a really big cookie right here.
Here's a little alien. Or a spaceman. Is that a spaceman or an alien?
It's a spaceman. It's a spaceman. It's a rocket ship man. What song does that remind you of?
Rocket Man?
Yeah. Guys, it's very hard.
Looking good. Got some rocket ships.
Oh, I think we got all of them. That's a problem. Guys, I'm just telling you. But you know what? 2 stars.
Stars.
Stars. The tallest thing in the world. Because everyone likes them. We're ready to put them in the oven.
Okay.
I'm going to do it.
Yep. want to make sure that you have a parent with you or a guardian, right? Somebody to help you, an adult.
Wow.
Okay, it's very hot.
Very. I already touched it. It didn't even hurt. But I bet you guys will hurt. Because you guys might be little big.
Put it in.
8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, we'll check back.
Yep, bye. My tootsies are done. And now we're waiting for them to dry. And this is what we're going to put in first.
We're gonna make our frosting. Yep, so we're gonna let our cookies cool down. That just came out of the oven.
And you always put this in.
Yep, powdered
Just
sugar.
And then you have to carry the whole thing.
And what's this?
My
Shortening.
Shortening.
Put it in there. You gotta scoop it out. Got a little bit more.
Guys, it's very easy if you just sing and do it.
Okay.
Now it's ready.
Oh, we can get a little bit of milk.
Oh yeah, we need milk.
So here's your milk.
We have milk, guys. It's very good for you.
Pour a little bit of milk in there.
Now.
Now take your blender.
Oh,
Whoa.
it's not safe, guys. We're gonna add our tiring in.
Okay. What color are you making?
2 of each. Red, purple.
Oh, red and blue. You're gonna make purple. All right. Frosting looks good.
Guys, I already tasted it. It's good.
It tastes good. All right. Mix that up.
First, you don't mix it up. You try it.
No.
You try after you mix it up, guys.
Pretty. Oh, that's kind of cool, rainbow looking. I could just leave it like that. That's pretty neat. Is that good?
Good.
Like it? All right.
Love it.
You ready to frost your cookies now?
Yeah. First of all, I don't know what I'll use.
Okay. You ready to frost?
Yep, I already frosted half of it.
All right. So I'm just gonna take your frosting and spread it on your cookies. You want to use some sprinkles?
Yeah, you. Remember how guys it gets so good? It's ruined.
Those are really pretty cookies.
Ephraim.
Okay, quit eating it and go spreading it.
It's too good, guys.
You're gonna eat it all before you even get it on your cookie.
Who cares? It's yummy.
You're gonna put some sprinkles on it? Here, let's put some sprinkles on it. Yum!
When we're done, guys, I'll tell you how good it tastes.
Okay, you ready to give it a taste? Give it a bite. Let's see what it tastes like. Yummy?
You know what? My cookies are done. I frost them. Oh, guys. I decorated them.
Yep, they look good. They look yummy.
Bye, everyone.
All that's left to do is eat them.
Yep. Bye. Subscribe, and bye.